Hello everyone, it's Tropics WX here with another video. This being another 2026 Pacific Typhoon season. We have Tropical Storm Dolphin here. It's located 1,075 miles and kilometers 668 miles east southeast of Wake Island. With winds of 40 miles per hour. Why did I not update this? Are you kidding me? Hold on. Hate myself. Let me update this again. There. Done. Anyway. Let's give information about this system. It is moving west at 18 miles per hour, or 30 kilometers per hour. Pressure 1,001. Current position as of warning number 2 from the JTWC. 13.4 north. 176.7 east. Don't put any memes into that, please. I don't want any more of those stupid 6-7 fucking jokes. Or the stupid 6-7 jokes. Peak winds will be at 160 miles per hour or 260 kilometers per hour. We're dealing with another category 5. After we're dealing with another system that we're going to be covering the East Pacific now. Shut the fuck. Anyway, that is to 1 minute sustained. That's to JTWC. JMA is saying that this peak through 10 minutes will be at 115 miles per hour, or 185 kilometers per hour. So yeah. So this is. Let me pull up Zoomer. Through my main phone. Okay, so as you can see right here at 35 knots, this is about 40 miles per hour right now. And that's our current position. About right there. At 45 knots, it will be a 50 mile per hour tropical storm. At 16 knots, it will have 70 miles per hour severe tropical storm. That's another video that we're going to be getting out, probably. Dude, why is this in the morning hours? And then we'll be getting probably another video out for the system. Why am I saying probably? I said I'm going to likely get another video out at the 80 knots, about right there, on the 28th, at 90 miles per hour as a typhoon. 105 knots or 120 miles per hour is a very strong typhoon. And then we're going to go over here where you see, by the way, Wake Island is included in this, so I want the people to take notice of this. I'm going to see if I can get a tag for them. 125 knots or 145 miles per hour is a violent typhoon. Then it's going to, basically from right here to right here, is labeled as a super typhoon at 140 knots or 160 miles per hour on the JTWC. Why am I mentioning this? Oh my God. This is our 3rd super typhoon. I know. 3 super typhoons within 3 months. Sri Lanka, the other system we had, or Blair, I think it's called. And then we have Dolphin. Dolphin, I don't know if it's going to pose a life-threatening, if it's going to pose any life-threatening situations, but we're going to keep an eye on it as of we speak. But yeah, that's all on our side. Let's hit over to Zoomer for the final part of the video, and then we're in the video off. And then I have to go get a Category 5 video next. Luckily, Guam is not included in this, so we're good. Okay, so here's Dolphin. 1,000 millibars. Bruh. I got told 1,001. What are we doing here? Anyway, ignore that millibar, that's off. Okay, so it's at 40 miles per hour, the tropical storm, 50 miles per hour, right here. 70 as a severe tropical storm. At 90 miles per hour, it'll be a typhoon. 120 miles per hour, it'll be a very strong typhoon. It will be a violent typhoon at 145 miles per hour on the 29th of July. Then it will be a super typhoon on the 30th. This probably will become our last Category 5 of July before we head into August, where it might be a little bit more chaotic for basically probably every basin, or well, probably for the East Pacific and the Western Pacific, but I don't know about the Atlantic. So this is 160 miles per hour, a super typhoon on the 30th and then 31st and in August. So we start August with a super typhoon. I know, not surprising. But yeah, the only area that's included in this is Wake Island, which is about right here. But if you live in Wake Island, please take this serious, that you are going to get... Bruh. Okay. Anyway. This is the... If you live in Wake Island, you're going to experience basically heavy winds, damaging winds, flash flooding, landslides, mudslides, and yeah, your life can be at threat with this one, so please take this serious if you live in Wake Island. But yeah, please listen to government agencies. I think once it passes Wake Island, I think we're gonna drop that portion of it, unless JTWC shows it making more slight impacts to what could be Japan. I mean, it looks like it's going towards Japan, but we'll see. So yeah, listen to government agencies, but listen to law enforcement, anything. Listen to any sort of government agencies, please. And with that being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and